Oh, geez. Oh, geez. Okay, so he was in a parking lot. And guys, if you want to practice your parking lot skills, instead of doing wheelies and standing on top of the bike after that, make sure you guys download the free Smart Rider Games booklet. It's free to compete because we have the Smart Rider Games starting May 1st to June 25th. 8 weeks, 8 drills. You get the free download. Links can be in the description. You get all the drills to participate inside the games that we're hosting. All these slow speed drills that you can do in a parking lot. So don't do what this guy did. Make sure you guys download this. It's free. Links in the description, like I said. And don't hit the park or the curb and try to stand on top of the bike and then flip over and crush your spine. You guys like that? That was fun, huh? Okay, here we go. Open lane pattern. This person might want to come out. There's the blinker. They're going to want to come out. They're going to do it later than you want. Okay, cool. They switched. They didn't do it. We're still assessing relevant. Oh, no. Ooh. We weren't the one going to crash. We got to see this. So what I was saying here is that watch out for the vehicle wanting to come out. Okay, let's go back a little bit. Person has the blinker. They might want to come out. That's an open lane pattern. So good job positioning yourself over here on the left. Okay. They're not coming out, so we're going to accelerate out of that. Okay, very good. We have a lot of traffic up ahead. Brake lights are starting to happen. This is going to put you in an orange stage. You're like, what's going on? So maintain this good space cushion. I like this. Now we're going to get up to here. So it looks like this guy either hit the back of the vehicle and fell down, or he's getting smashed by the vehicle behind him, not paying attention. And then his head. Did his head get run over? It got hit. It didn't get run over. There's a small gap. You're right. Thumbnail. Thanks, Horvath. Thanks, Patrick. Not good. See if you can rescue your buddy. Maybe he's not your buddy, but, we're all bikers here, right? See if you can rescue him. See what happened. See if you can stop any major bleeds if that's the case. Good job remaining calm. Ensuring your own safety. Pulled over. Not a good situation. Remaining real calm. It's not your emergency. That's the thing, okay? It's not your emergency. Yeah, you want to call 911. Turn off your music. There you go.
Oh, my God.
All right, intersections. Oh, whoa. Lost a little grip on that throttle. Gave it a little too much there. So gave it a little too much, and it got out of his hand. Oh, very nice. Having some fun. He's got some skill. Don't recommend trying doing that your first time on the twisties. Side of the vehicle, not good. Not good. What are we going to do here? Are we going to swerve right? Let's see if we can do that.
Oh, my.
Good job with the braking. Good job with the braking. That guy got out of the way. Very nice. So when it comes to plan, we have to locate hazardous situations. Was this person a relevant threat? Yes, it is. How are we going to navigate this active threat now? So at this point, we can apply some progressive braking where we might not be able to stop in time, but we might be able to slow down and then swerve to the right if we needed to. So always be aware. Always know your skill set with the primary controls with your hands. Okay?
That'll wake you up.
That'll wake you up. Yes, it will, Paul Thompson. Here we go. Nice gravel road. Having some fun on our dual sport. Whoa, an emu. Haven't seen one of those in real life. Where the heck are we? What the heck? Those things are vicious, by the way. Like, they will mess you up. Aren't they like the most like dangerous bird, like land bird or whatever? They got some talons. And they'll beak you to death. All right, having some fun over here, Adventure Bob.
A bit to the right side.
When in doubt, throttle out.
Control of the car.
Oh, car. I heard car. Is there a car coming? So this is one of those problems that you have. You have line of sight issues around these corners. People are gunning it. It's a single vehicle road. So you typically kind of like
something was lying in wait.
Something was lying in wait. So swerve. Because if you're out in the middle of nowhere and you break a leg, was that a cassowary? Not an emu? Ugh. Oh, his leg. He's in pain. And then you're in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah, I'm all right, man.
Look at those toes. All right.
Hey,
I got distracted.
I think my leg might be broken.
Oh, no.
But let me just figure it out real quick. Hold on.
All right.
Anything less would have been a vacation. It goes down as one of the worst and greatest days of my life. But at least my body remains functional.
Oh, his vehicle got screwed up. Right, Rosbell?
Met
Thank you for the
two
two.
amazing people that day. Conversation. They then
Oh.
looked after me for the next 4 days. We ended up in the same hotel room in Norseman after 7 hours of being stuck in the middle of nowhere.
Well, that's kind of cool.
Right out.
I mean, if you're fine, hopefully they paid for your hotel room.
Selfless and kind people I've ever met.
That was nice. I'm glad it was a happy thing. All right, here we go. Big side of the vehicle. Slow it down. Just slow it down and then accelerate out. Not a big deal. This is why we don't accelerate super fast through intersections, because you got to watch out for that. Side of the vehicle, once again, slow it down and then accelerate out. It happens, guys. It happens. Good job with the turn, by the way. So when you practice in a neighborhood, and that's going to be a part of, let's go ahead and look over here. So you get the download, right? Get the download, but this is on the new website. We have training coming up. Okay, I'm going to be filming this in the next couple of weeks, or the next week, actually. So module 4, okay, chapter 12, neighborhood riding. And it's one of the first places I want you to practice your actual skills, because we're going to go over all the other stuff. And then before we get into city riding and a bunch of other things like that. So make sure you master the basic controls and a few other things. This is going to be a part of the new course coming up. But that's a great area to practice because you're going 25 miles an hour max, right? You do have traffic. You're adding some traffic, but the roads are somewhat, wide. And you do have sides of the vehicles to practice on. So this is not a relevant threat because this vehicle is blocking it, right? But you can see people maybe coming out, right? So you can still practice, but we're max 25 miles an hour versus when you're in the city. So neighborhoods are amazing for practice. Oh, geez. You're saying it's copyrighted horn music? Okay, I'm going to talk over it when it's playing, and then now we're going to go ahead and move on. So good job with the slow speed maneuvers and tight turns. That's what the games will teach you. New drills will pop out. So this guy's coming over. Don't fight for it. There's no reason to fight for it. Go ahead and roll at the throttle. Let him in and switch lanes. Oh, dear. Okay, we got deer. Slow it down. There's probably going to be like 300 more. So when you see one, there's going to be a couple more. So nice and slow roll it. Yeah, there it is. There's another one. So I saw an elk herd one time in Alpine, Arizona, and it was like 300-400 of them. It was pretty impressive. It was pretty cool. All right, great area to practice once again. Oh, guy was gonna cut it short. Still cut it short. Practice your wide, smooth arcs. You see how I had to like adjust both times? Going a little fast here. What do we got here? What do we got? Oh, we got an intersection. You notice how we have a chance to turn left or right. That means it's an intersection. Good swerve back. We're going too fast through it though. If you're going that fast, you need to be really good at your swerves at higher speeds. You can practice your swerves from one side of the left lane, in same lane, left side of your lane to the right side of your lane on the highway, and the right to the left. Stay in your lane, but you'll see how difficult it is at like highway speeds. And these guys are going highway speeds on roads, like regular roads. You have to have really good swerving. And it's tough to do because you're traveling so fast. That means you're moving in space and time and on the road really far in a very short amount of time. So you have split milliseconds to make a decision. If you slow it down, you maybe have half a second versus like 0.1 of half a second. So slow it down. All right, here we go. So we have an intersection. We have somebody wanting to merge over. We're either going to fight for the lane or let them in. Don't worry about rev bombing. You notice how high vis gear really doesn't help sometimes. Just let them in. Not a big deal. Okay. She's worried about turning over. Hey, guys, here's the thing. She's worried about hitting you. So she's taking it nice and easy. She probably got this SUV from her husband because she used to have a car. And she destroyed so many rims hitting curbs. So now she could just go over curbs. And so she doesn't really practice because she just goes over the curbs now. She doesn't want to hit you and go over you. So she's doing it slow. She's out of practice. Okay? She's out of practice. Not a big deal. She doesn't know how to do wide turns. So yeah, get yourself out of the way. There it is. Oh, we're going to have fun here. Hey, it's Grom Squatch.
Is it really gonna come to me?
That's what she said.
This is
Oh, what's up, buddy?
nature, dude. You know, little buddy, your mama's up there.
There you go. Is that all we got at the end?
A good little. Get up
Okay.
there.
Have fun, Grom. All right, here we go. Riding around. Nice little low camera angle. Can't see much other than the gas tank. That's cool. Somebody's going to come out in front of us. Not a big deal. We're going to move on. And we're going to accelerate out of here. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Oh, we got more? Okay.
Thanks for watching till the end.
Oh, you're welcome. What else do we got? What's the last one? What's the last one?
Next video.
Oh, side of the vehicle pulling out. Can't see anything because your end card is in the way. Guys, thank you for watching this. We do this live every Friday around 11 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. Make sure you click the link in the description for that free download. Grab a slice of pizza because it's also free. And get out of here. I'll see you guys on the next video.